Hi, I'm Dan from Sharon by Market Lab. I'd like to talk to you today about our brush education, Brushes, the Mechanism to Clean. This provides a free CE accredited by both HSPA and CBSPD that is ready and waiting for you. Our team has over 50 years of experience working with SPD leaders. Working with teams in decontam, we understand how vital it is for proper instrument cleaning. As we say, if it's not clean, it can't be sterile. Ultimately, sterile processing techs working sinkside have the power to make positive impacts on patient care. They just need proper cleaning brushes and the knowledge on how to use them. Our in-service answers many key questions, like why brushing is so vitally important to patient safety. How do I choose the proper brush and then use it? And what are the industry standards for reusing brushes? We know you put your patients first, and we want to partner with you and your team to standardize and simplify your brush selection while achieving the best results. Contact us today to schedule a session for you and your team, or just to talk about brushes.